Let's just cross multiply the terms. So we have 2 into log x minus 3 is equal to log x square minus 21. Bringing this 2 inside, we have log x minus 3 square is equal to log x square minus 21. The logs are equal, therefore the terms inside them will be equal as well. So x minus 3 square is equal to x square minus 21. Expanding the quadratic is x square minus 6x plus 9 is equal to x square minus 21. X square will cancel out with x square. This is minus 30, so x is equal to 5. Okay, let's just assume this term to be alpha. So this will be 3 log x, so that is 3 alpha minus 2. So we have log alpha plus log 3 alpha minus 2 is equal to 0. There's addition, so the terms will multiply. Log alpha into 3 alpha minus 2 is equal to 0. The log is 0, so this value has to be equal to 1. So alpha into 3 alpha minus 2 is equal to 1. So that is 3 alpha square minus 2 alpha minus 1 is 0. So we get factors as alpha minus 1 and 3 alpha plus 1. So we have alpha equal to 1 or minus 1 by 3. That is log x to base 10 is equal to either 1 or minus 1 by 3. So x is either 10 or 10 raised to minus 1 by 3. But we can't have this value as it will give the input to this log as negative, and the input of log should never be negative. So plus 10 is the only correct answer. So the first thought I have is to convert all the logs to a common base of 2. So let's just take reciprocals. This will be 1 upon log 2x base 2 is equal to 1 upon log 4x base 2. Let's just call this term as alpha. So for this we have log 2 base 2 plus log x base 2. So this is 1 plus alpha. So we are left with 1 upon alpha into 1 upon 1 plus alpha, and over here doing the same thing we will get 2 plus alpha. This is equal to 1 upon 2 plus alpha. So we have alpha into 1 plus alpha is equal to 2 plus alpha. So that is alpha plus alpha square is equal to 2 plus alpha. Alpha square is equal to 2. Therefore, alpha is equal to plus root 2 and minus root 2. But our alpha is equal to log x base 2 plus root 2 minus root 2. So our x will be 2 raised to root 2 and 2 raised to minus root 2. Observe these two terms. We know that a raised to log b base c is the same as b raised to log a base c. Therefore, these are equal to each other. Let's just call them alpha. So we have alpha plus 5 alpha is equal to 3. That is 6 alpha is 3. So alpha is equal to 1 by 2. Which means x raised to log 5 base a is equal to 1 by 2. Now to get the unity power in x, let us raise the whole thing to 1 upon log 5 base a. So we have x raised to 1 is equal to half raised to 1 upon log 5 base a will be the same thing as log of a base 5. Therefore, this is our answer.